Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. First of all, I'm very thankful to who are subscribed my channel and who are watching this video. I hope by the end of this video you are going to subscribe my channel if you did not subscribe yet, and you can press the bell icon for never miss any update from my channel. So this is a very short video about how you can buy a domain from GoDaddy domain provider. So first of all, you have to open a browser and search for GoDaddy. So the different link related to GoDaddy will be shown on your browser. You have to select a GoDaddy website, that is in.godaddy.com. So I already have an account with GoDaddy. If you don't have a GoDaddy account, you just have to click on the create my account and fill all the information, and you can easily create a GoDaddy account in just few minutes by verifying your email address. So I am already registered. So if you already registered, just you have to click on the sign in and go to the enter the customer name over here and your GoDaddy password. After entering your password, just hit the sign in button or just hit enter. So after login, your product page will be loaded, and in the product page you can see all of your domain and whatever the product you are using from GoDaddy. As I using different services from GoDaddy, different domain I bought, a web hosting plan I bought, email service attached with tabreresults.com, so many things. So if you want to buy a new domain, if you scroll till the down, you have a functionality search for a new domain. So here I am going to buy a domain name free tools for my new website, where I will create a free tools for you, so you can use all the free features from there. So I by mistake I clicked here, so the for domain is selected to my cart. And if you click on remove, and there is an option for click add to cart, so you can click over here add to cart, and this domain is added to your cart, so you don't have to do anything else. So just search for a domain, click on add to cart, and now it's a time for payment. Click on continue to cart. So if you see so many options over here, if you're buying buy any other things for your domain, I do not want to buy anything, just you can click on checkout button on the top of the website of the GoDaddy website. So as you can see here on my screen, the domain is selected for 2-year plan. Because of that, the price is 1211. If I switch to 1-year plan, then you can see the price is changes and the tax is also changed. So let's see, I want to buy this product for domain for 1 year. So you have to click on the proceed to checkout to a payment page where you can see all your billing information. This is my billing information, and after that there is an option called edit billing information. You can edit all the billing information over here, and after that you can do any other things from here. So now I am on my billing and payment page. From here I can click on net banking or any other that I want to use. I click here net banking. I'm using a net banking process over here, and just after that click on place your order. You can use debit card, credit card, or whatever the card you have to pay this amount. So now the page is showing me all my billing and billing information to who I'm going to pay this. And now I want to do net banking, so select the net banking from this list, whatever the bank account you have. So I have a Kotak Mahindra bank account, so just search for it, Kotak Mahindra Bank. You can save your bank name for other checkouts or future payments and click on make payment. Now after that you will direct it to your bank account website, whatever the website they are using. So now on the bank account login page you can enter your credential. and you can hit on the secure login button. After that, the dynamic access code will be sent to your registered mobile number. You just have to open your mobile and look for the code. I got the code, that is 715962, and click on verify. After verifying, you are able to see what are the combined balance from your account. Currently I have 40,000 rupees, and it is showing what is the transaction amount it is needed to complete this transaction, and click on confirm button. So if you are using a different bank services, then this UI will be different. After the confirmation, you will see thank you Tabriz, your order has been placed, the account information is this, order number is this, the price is this, and this is the order date. You can from here you can print your receipt for your order. The receipt is look like this. So you buy something from this amount. When you click on this view, and you can see here domain freetools.com is now registered by me, and so domain is mine. And here we can't wait to see what you are online. Set up your email to start something awesome. So this is how you can buy a domain from GoDaddy. And in the next video, I will show you how you can use this domain and create your website in few seconds. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned and don't forget to hit like button and subscribe my channel. Bye bye. Have a nice day.